करता। I have always wanted to come and visit Manipur, this land of mysticism, this land of extreme natural beauty, land of patriots. Ever since I had heard the stories of Mahabharata from my grandmother. If this land could have enchanted the great warrior Prince Arjuna, imagine the kind of beauty, imagine the kind of attention, imagine the kind of enchantment this land has with all the minds of Hindus in the rest of India. Ever since I was in school and read the history of the INA and the history of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, more so as a young Indian who understands and respects and values that India got its independence not just because of non-violent movements, but as importantly as because of efforts like the INA and the revolutionaries and people led by Netaji. I wanted to visit the land of Manipur because it was here in Moirang that for the first time India's tricolour was hoisted. But for a long time this dream of mine remained unfulfilled. But today, thanks to my party, thanks to the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha and thanks to our leaders here, I got the opportunity of coming here and being a part of this great land. From yesterday, all of you have given me such immense love and affection. मैं आप सबको और मणिपुर के भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा के हमारे सभी कार्यकर्ताओं को हृदय से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आदर व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, the states of Northeast India, though having been blessed with immense natural resources, beauty, pristine lakes, fresh, pure rivers, extremely talented, hospitable, capable, hardworking young people, was shortchanged politically in the last 70 years. As somebody who comes from Bengaluru, I can tell you that not only in our textbooks, but also in the newspapers, the news that we would occasionally read of the northeastern states was restricted to incidents of violence, news reports of curfews, bands, hartals, and such negative aspects only. This was the image of the northeastern states for somebody from the south of India or somebody from the central parts of the country. But for the first time in the history of independent India and in the history of the northeastern states, under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, the northeast of India is giving India a new dimension of success, prosperity, progress. Every single day there is a news of something good that is coming out from these states. Young achievers from the northeastern states are inspiring young women, young children, young men all across India. When we hear the story of MC Mary Kom from this very state, young women in the rest of the country, rest of the Bharat promise that they want to be like her. When Meerabhai Chanu lifted the Olympic medal for India, a young girl in Tamil Nadu, a young boy in Karnataka, or a young man in Gujarat saw and sought inspiration from a young woman from Manipur. That is the kind of, that